Michael Hardtalk here from Florida Drone Supply, and we now have in stock the Mavic 3 manufacturer refurbished models. Now we have both the Cine as well as the Fly More combos available. The original Fly More combo was $28.49. Now they're $500 off for $23.49 if you get the refurbished model. And we have the Pro Cine, which is $1,000 off. So instead of being $49.99, you're looking at $39.99 for the Mavic Premium Cine Combo. Now this is a great opportunity for you to get the aircraft at a discounted price. Comes with the same manufacturer warranty from DJI, as well as that ability to buy the DJI Care. So the great thing about it is you can purchase the refurbished model, purchase 2 years of care and a GPC hard case, and still come in less than you would if you were to buy the original new kit. This is a great opportunity for you to save a few bucks if money is an object, as it is with me for sure, and get the same great quality you know and expect from DJI. If you have any questions, give us a call at 1-855-8-DRONES or look us up at floridronesupply.com.